blacked out Jeep Wrangler here again. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm in front of Prestige Auto Detailing here for a big cleanup for my Jeep. Let's get the intro rolling and get this Jeep all washed up. Let's head inside and let's get this baby washed inside and out. Alright guys, so it's done. I want to thank you very much.
No problem, it's my pleasure. You know, it's our honor that you came by for the second time with your awesome blacked out Jeep Wrangler.
Yes.
Basically, we did a full exterior wash and wax. We did full on interior steam clean. We did full on interior, the wheel wells, tire shine, rims deeply clean. We also armored your footsteps. Package we did on this Jeep today was our signature gold package.
Okay.
We get your interior meticulously detailed, we get your exterior done, and something like that costs about $200.
Perfect.
And I look forward to detailing all your Jeeps, folks.
Sounds good, sounds good. So I'm gonna have all the details as well for him below the video, the links for his website, his phone number, and all that good stuff. It's by appointment only, as you mentioned, so make sure you call ahead so you're not disappointed. And it takes about what?
It takes about roughly 2 hours or less.
Okay.
You can definitely feel free to wait in the office or maybe grab a coffee, lunch, and come back.
That's a wrap.
Yeah.
I love it. So all right guys, remember, show some support. Please subscribe, hit the like, share, and remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon.
Take care, boys.
Take care.